Ever see those free silver gold IRA offers? They sound great until you read the fine print. Let me show you how to spot those traps before you get burned. Go to Google and search company name plus free silver plus fine print plus terms. For example, I searched Augusta Precious Metals free silver fine print terms, and I found their official terms and conditions page. Now here's the thing. Good companies don't bury conditions. In Augusta's case, they're not even pushing free silver offers. And that's actually a good sign. It means they're not using gimmicks to get your attention. If a company does offer free silver, here's what to look for. High minimum investment, often 50K or more. First time customer only restrictions. Inflated pricing to quietly offset the silver. And lastly, slow delivery or bait and switch tactics. If you can find that info clearly laid out in writing, that's a red flag and a sign to be careful. Before you sign anything, download the free Silver Scheme report I've linked in the description. It breaks down the sneaky fine print behind many of these offers and shows you exactly what to ask before you invest. It's 100% free. Grab your copy today using the link below. Don't let free cost you thousands. Read the fine print and protect your retirement savings.